I want to talk to you about the benefits of learning pathways. If you're trying to create engagement with your students so they're more interested in a broader range of your courses, or just as importantly, if you're trying to help your students overcome the overwhelm of trying to get to grips with a complex, broad topic, then learning pathways might be the answer. And what these are, from a very high level perspective, is a detailed explanation in a logical order of the structure of the topic and then what each of your courses in your course portfolio pertaining to that topic bring to the party. Explain to them what they're going to get out of each course. Make it very easy, almost in one paragraph, for them to see the key contents of the course and how it fits in to the topic structure, so that when they're trying to work out what's right for them, they can actually see very easily which course will give them the best benefit. So learning pathways helps you to walk a student through your course content at a very high level, which makes the topic itself easy to understand and helps the student to decide which is going to be the best course for them in order to address the student's needs. And that's why it works so well. Let me give you an example. Let's suppose you have a portfolio of courses which all help students with their online course creation. They will be struggling if they're new to the topic. Where do they start? Which course should I take first? Which is going to be the easiest course to get me into this subject? Where can I find the topics I most need to fill the gaps in my knowledge? These are all the issues which you're trying to address. So you create a document which you can then use in different forms, and we'll come on to that, which basically, first of all, explains the overall structure of the portfolio content. And in this case, it's the 4 key segments of planning, production, publication, and promotion. So you make it clear to your students that there is this overall structure. Then you go on to present each course in the optimized order, explaining the key benefits of the course. And to do that, you can take your section headers and literally almost copy and paste them from your course landing page, and maybe introduce 2 or 3 written reviews, 5-star testimonials from students which highlight the benefits to them of the course, with a call to action to tell them to find out more. Now, I've also put this into a spreadsheet, and I've color coded the spreadsheet. I've also put it into a mind map, and I've color coded the mind map, so you can see at a glance exactly where the key topics are. And you can reorder the spreadsheet if you want to, so you can put all the planning topics together and see where they come up and see which course is going to work. So you're making it as easy as possible for students to analyze your content. Now, in the call to action, you then provide a coupon coded link, which then takes the student to the course. And when I do this, I give them a $9.99 code, which is unique to the learning pathway, so that I know the code has come from the learning pathway. And I also use a pretty link, and you can use bit.ly or any of the other shorteners as well, so that I can see how many conversions I'm getting, and I get the back information, the data on where those links have come from. So I can see how my funnels are converting because I'm using these shorteners, and I can see from the overall presentation of the content which of the courses are getting most attention and which of the courses are getting most people clicking through. So this can provide me with very useful analytical data, at the same time as making it very simple for the student to either remember the link or just click through on it. So you have this document. So what can you do with it? Well, you can publish it as a PDF. You can and then send it wherever you want, but you can publish it as a blog, and I've done that. You can make a video about the overall content, about the overall learning pathway itself, and then attach the PDF of your whole pathway document to that video so people can download it. You can include a mind map, you can include the spreadsheet. You can have a landing page just for the PDF of the learning pathway itself and let people download that either with or without a sign up. You can share it with your list. You can email out the PDF or email out the link to the blog post saying, come and find out more, come and find out about the learning pathway and understand what this is all about. And of course, you can add it as the bonus lecture to your Udemy courses, or indeed to any other courses anywhere else, so that when people have come to the end of the course, you give them an intelligent but easy to understand explanation of what is going to benefit them next and make it very easy for them to go through and find their next course in your learning pathway process. This means that students find it very easy to say, what should I be doing next? Because you give them all the information in a very easy to understand way so that they can make that decision for themselves. So these are the benefits of learning pathways and why I think they're so important. And it's really valuable content because you're providing that value to your student, but at the same time, you're giving them the opportunities to go and find another one of your great courses.